Hello, it's Dina Rich, broker associate at Keller Williams Realty on South Padre Island. Starting in July of 2026, the decision of if or how much a seller will pay a buyer's agent became part of the contract negotiations. And although it may be tempting to say no to compensating the buyer's agent, here are 10 reasons why you might want to think about saying yes. Reason number 1. It keeps more buyers in the market. More buyers means more showings for your property and a greater chance that you'll receive an offer. Reason number 2. If you offer buyer agent compensation, it can make you look better than your competition. Think about it. If there are 3 homes for sale on your street or 3 condos for sale in your building, and the other 2 sellers are not willing to pay buyer agent compensation, but you are, who do you think will sell first? Reason number 3. It may help your property to sell faster and eliminate the need for price reductions over time. You'll be able to achieve your goal more quickly and reduce months of property taxes, HOA fees, insurance, maintenance, etc. And it's important to note that the longer a property stays on the market, the lower the offers tend to be. Reason number 4. It eases the buyer's burden in a tough economy, in a high-priced area such as ours, in a time of high interest rates. Now, it's likely that the purchase will probably be the buyer's second home or investment property, and we're probably dealing with a buyer who's strong financially. But even so, they're taking on a second set of payments, while you, on the other hand, are eliminating some of yours. Reason number 5. It decreases the amount of money buyers need to bring to closing. Most lenders don't allow agent compensation to be rolled into the loan. This means more out-of-pocket upfront expenses for buyers. Think about it. An FHA loan can get a buyer into a property for as little as 3.5% down, and a VA loan can get a veteran into a home for as little as 0 down. Reducing the amount of cash needed at closing helps more buyers achieve the American dream of home ownership. Reason number 6. It enables buyers to make a larger down payment. This is important because a lower loan-to-value ratio can make lenders more likely to say yes because it's less risky for them. Reason number 7. It gives buyers more buying power. It enables buyers to purchase a property in a higher price range, in, for example, your property's price range. And it may get the negotiations off to a more positive start by preventing buyers from making lowball offers on your property. Number 8. It encourages buyers to seek proper representation. Some buyers may try to go it alone to avoid the cost of paying a buyer agent. But having representation increases the likelihood of success. A study done in Chicago showed that 87% of unrepresented buyers did not make it to the closing table. Reason number 9. If there is no buyer agent, your listing agent, although they don't represent the buyer, will have to perform many of the tasks normally performed by the buyer's agent. Your agent will be doing a significant amount of extra work, probably twice the work. Having 2 agents involved in the process allows your agent to completely focus on you. And it's important to note that having your agent work with the buyer doesn't really save you money. An unrepresented buyer cannot compensate the listing agent because agents can only be compensated by the party they represent. So you'll be asked to compensate your agent for the additional workload that they'll take on by having to absorb the work normally done by the buyer's agent. And reason number 10. When all parties are represented, it evens the playing field. which avoids potential lawsuits brought on by unrepresented buyers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided some insight into seller-paid buyer agent compensation and what it can mean for both buyers and sellers in today's real estate market.